One of the most time-consuming parts of internet marketing is creating and publishing content. Now, it's an important skill to have because so many parts of internet marketing revolve around your ability to create and publish content. So it's important that you know how to do everything manually for yourself so that you understand the process. But by now you're probably seeing the amount of time that publishing content to the web takes to do manually, because there are just so many things to think about and do. So let's streamline this process even further with Market Samurai's Publish Content module. The first step in the process of creating and publishing web content is always research. That always stays the same. You use the Find Content module inside Market Samurai to find some good quality articles with high content authority as the inspiration for your own articles. But if we were to write and publish our content manually without Market Samurai's Publish Content module, this is where the little steps start to make a big difference. If you were doing this manually, the next step in the process would be to copy the article and save it to your Google Docs account. Then you begin writing your own version using the original article as inspiration. But now that you have access to Market Samurai's Publish Content module, you can do all of this without leaving Market Samurai. Once you've found an article, hit the Go to Publish Content button, and this will take you to the Publish Content module where you can use the article as your inspiration for your own article. So there's no need to copy the article outside of Market Samurai, open up a browser window, go to Google Docs, log in, paste in your article, and start writing inside Google Docs. It's just one click and the whole process is streamlined, including the creation of all the HTML code for your post. Let's save this post as a draft and then find some relevant keywords that we can use to tag the post now. If you were doing this without Market Samurai, you would be working inside Google Docs right now and then switching back to Market Samurai. You'd open up a keyword tab and you'd do some keyword research to find related tags around the keyword that you are targeting in your article. And then you would take your related tags back to your Google Docs document so that you could use them later when you were publishing the article. If you're doing all of this inside Market Samurai, you don't need to leave the software at all. After saving your blog post as a draft, you open up a tab for your keyword research and find some related keywords, then copy them as tags, go back to your post in Publish Content, and then just paste them in. And now we're ready to publish. Let's have a look at the difference between publishing manually and publishing using the Publish Content module. If we're doing this manually, once you've completed your article and you have some keyword relevant tags to use, the next thing that we do is open a new browser window. Then you log into your WordPress Direct account or into your WordPress blog if you're doing this without access to WordPress Direct. Then navigate to the publishing area. Then paste the article into the publishing box. Paste in your title. Paste in your tags. Categorize the blog post, schedule the post for publishing, and then submit it. But let's take a look at Market Samurai's Publish Content module. If you're using the Publish Content module, when you've finished your article, just hit the Publish button and choose which blog you would like to publish to. Again, the little steps that you're avoiding here keep adding up to save you time. If you're connecting from Market Samurai to a WordPress Direct account here, Market Samurai will automatically update your blog list each time you open up Market Samurai, so that any new blogs that you've added recently will appear here. Market Samurai will even categorize your posts automatically. If it finds that one of your categories matches one of the keyword tags you've inserted already, it will put your post into that category. And it provides a very simple interface for creating new categories too, plus scheduling posts and more. The next question to ask is, do you want to track your rankings for this post in Rank Tracker and monitor for when the search engines discover this post? If you're publishing your post manually, you'll need to visit your site, get the URL of the post, copy it and go back to Market Samurai, add the URL to Rank Tracker, and pick the keywords you're targeting. In the Publish Content module, because everything's in the one place here inside Market Samurai, you just tick the box and pick the relevant keywords. In fact, if this is the first post for a new blog, you can also tick the Add Domain to Rank Tracker tick box, and Market Samurai will track the rankings for the whole domain. Okay, now that we're tracking rankings, it's time to get noticed by the search engines and start building our rankings. We already know how valuable TrafficBug can be here. So if we're doing this manually, the next step is to submit our site to TrafficBug for link building, social bookmarking, and RSS submission. So we head to trafficbug.com. Remember to type in the hyphen in the URL. Then hit login. Then enter our login details. Go to Manage Websites. Add a new website or related URL. Select the content type. Enter your URL, your RSS feed. Categorize the site. Enter in 3 to 6 titles, 3 to 6 descriptions, and up to 6 keywords. Bump up the aggression level, submit to RSS directories, do directory submissions, and submit to search engines. And then click the Submit button. Now, even with all of those steps, this is a whole lot easier to do than doing social bookmarking manually. But there are still a lot of steps here that add up, from loading a browser window to logging into the site to navigating to a page to insert your site to entering every detail about your site manually. So let's save you even more time here. Inside Market Samurai's Publish Content module, you can do it all here in one place. Tick the Submit to TrafficBug box, choose your TrafficBug account, and begin. Market Samurai will even pre-fill the name, the first title, URL details, RSS feed details, and keywords for you based on what it finds inside your blog post. And by doing this, every page that you publish gets submitted to TrafficBug, gets indexed and backlinked on your main keywords instantly when you publish a post, meaning you get your content indexed and ranking quickly, and it was just a matter of ticking a box and entering a few more details inside Market Samurai. Once we've done all this, we'll have a blog post on our site, and our promotions will have begun. But let's recap what we've actually done here. If we were doing this manually, we did everything in 6 different interfaces, meaning we were constantly flipping between different programs just to get the job done. Have a look at what we did. We did article research using the Find Content module inside Market Samurai. Then we went to do article writing using Google Docs or perhaps even Microsoft Word. Then we did keyword tag research, back to Market Samurai here. Then we went to publishing and we used WordPress Direct or WordPress. For rank tracking, we're back to Market Samurai, and for social bookmarking, we used TrafficBug. Every step of the process seems to take us in a different direction. Now, with Market Samurai's Publish Content module, everything you do is streamlined into a single workflow alongside a lot of handy time-saving tools. Sure, it doesn't take long to do each individual step manually without Market Samurai's Publish Content module. It's an extra 1 minute here or 20 seconds there to switch between programs or log in or navigate to the right screen or copy and paste data or whatever it is you're up to. But dozens of these little steps here and there, back and forth, they start to add up. And who wouldn't want to save 15 minutes or 30 minutes or even more, not just once or twice, but for every single article that you publish to your blog? Remember, we're not just publishing 1 or 2 articles here. We're building a business that relies on keyword-targeted articles to attract customers. So if we want to maximize the number of customers that we attract to our site, we want to publish as many articles as possible, targeting as many keywords as possible. So the time you save on just one website could be days or even weeks here. And this means you can either put that extra time into more marketing and get even better results, or you can spend your spare time doing the things that you choose to do in life. However you use it, we hope you get a lot out of this published content module.